If this location seems familiar, it's where I filmed F8 and B there. I'm back today because this is the hospital and I need to collect my medication. I have to wait about 15 minutes and I think that is a good idea. It's a good time to do a 15-minute street photography challenge. So I'm going to put you onto POV and I'm going to film for 15 minutes straight. When the time's up, the time's up. Let's see what I get. Let's do it. Let's go. Okay, 15-minute timer starting now. So first of all, I'm looking for some kind of establishing shots. I've got the GR3 obviously, and here I'm just in program mode. I'm just keep my eyes out for anything that I think is even slightly interesting. You know, it's better to shoot a little bit too much than not enough. So on the left over here, we have a dry market. Sorry, a wet market. What am I talking about? A wet market. And yeah, might be fun to go in there and have a look. So first of all, from here, I'll take an establishing shot. Not quite there. I need to be back a little bit to get it all in. There we go. Okay. Just going to recall a setting for user 3. This is for use in low light. So in here, it's quite dark. There's not a lot of light. But we do have some skylights and some light coming through. So hopefully I can use some of that. Going to switch to Shadow Hunter for this one. Shadow Hunter preset you can find if you search through my channel. We have a lot of scooters here. I want to miss those. We have quite a nice shot in front here. We have我看看，
看一看，
看看，对，谢谢。
不客气。
Wu-Tang, something with no sugar. All has sugar, right? Yeah. We have some sausages here. Wow, cool. Okay. Hello. Very good. May I take your photo? May I? Okay. Okay, I'll do it like this. One more. One hand. 谢谢你，谢谢。好。
谢谢。
Yeah, so sometimes just ask people. I mean, most people say okay. Yeah. Seafood. Hello. 你好。This is durian. Yeah. Oh, over there we've got some noodles. A noodle making machine. So you know, it's amazing. 15 minutes doesn't sound like much time, but if you go out and about, find something cool, then you can get some shots, right? You know. 你好。Just simple things, you know. Sometimes a simple shot like this, and I'll use my thumb just to tap target and focus where I want. Some of these will be color, some of them will be black and white. I don't know which ones yet. Ni hao. Try and get a shot through the glass. She comes back. Hello. Ni hao. Just a Juro? Juro. Cool. May I take a photo, okay? And one more there. 谢谢你. Taiwan really is a fantastic place for street photography. I'll put some workshops together if anybody wants them, you know, just let me know. Comment below to see what you think. If you'd like to come and visit Taiwan, I'll make sure you have a great time while you're here. So again, I'm looking for the light, and I see some light coming down here. Whether I can use it or not, I don't know. Obviously the scene is quite cluttered, there's a lot of stuff here. Whether I can use this light to my advantage, maybe I can if I step back a bit. Maybe something from here. Shadow Hunter. I want to preserve the highlights. And I hope the scooter doesn't stop right where I want it. Yeah, so I'm looking at a vertical shot here. And the presets make sure that everything else is dark, which I like actually. If I can get a bit closer, just like that. Okay. So I'm looking to frame like this. This is a store that kind of sells buttons, buttons and ribbons. Okay. 你好。
那个春金是在哪里？
5 minutes left. 5 minutes left. Doesn't give much time, right? 5 minutes. Sometimes I wish the GR3 had got an articulating screen, so you could do a waist, you know, a waist down here, so you can look from above. That would be nice. Excuse me. Okay, 5 minutes. Not exactly sure what they sell here. Take a photo there. Oh. She didn't like it, but hey. If someone says to me that they don't want their photo, then I'll usually delete it off. But you get very few confrontations here with photography. I think in 8 years, I think I've been asked once to delete the image. Hello.
你好。
你好。
你好，老板，我要2盒，我要4颗红豆，3颗绿豆。4红3绿。对。红豆我要先买，绿豆我要先2。
I think I'm going to skirt around for the last 2 minutes around the outside. Don't really want to disturb people while they're eating. What she's doing here, there's something cool. No. Yeah. This is obviously a line for something. But I don't want it. One minute to go. See if I can finish with a flurry of something. I think I might struggle to find something now. Now I'm back outside. 30 seconds. I should have stayed inside there. Oh, maybe a shot up there, look, of the name. A shot of the name here. Lingia Market. Shadow Hunter. Yeah, that's a nice shot. And that time is just gone. Time is up. Okay, well that's it then, guys. That's 15 minutes of photography. So that was 15 minutes of street photography. Yeah, I think it went okay. I think there's a few reasonable shots there. We'll have to see. I won't know till I get back to the computer. Right, so guys, if you've watched this far, thank you so much. If you're not a subscriber, please consider doing so, and don't forget to leave a like on this video. If you really enjoyed it, you can buy me a coffee. There's a link in the description below, and that would be really appreciated. So thanks for your time. If you have any questions, don't forget you can always leave them below and I'll answer every one, or I try to. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much again. Bye bye.